Thinking about buying a new construction home? Let me save you some serious headaches. I built multiple homes myself and helped clients do the same. Now I'm sharing the truth about new construction homes from both an owner and a realtor. Buying a new construction home is exciting, I know, because I've done it multiple times myself. But behind the shiny model homes are surprises most buyers don't see until it's too late. I've helped clients build their dream homes, and today I'm sharing the real, behind-the-scenes tips you need to know before you buy. Tip number 1. Hire a buyer's agent from day one. One of the biggest mistakes I see over and over again is buyers walking into a builder's office or a model home without a realtor. Always, and I mean always, bring a trusted realtor with you on your first visit. If you don't, many builders won't let you add an agent later, and you'll lose out on having that representation. And here's the best part, it costs you nothing. The builder pays for it, not you. Having an experienced agent in your corner is a game changer. When I bought my first new construction home, I didn't realize this. I missed out on negotiating incentives like interest rate buy-downs, closing cost credits, and even upgrades. But once I started using a realtor for my own purchases, and later guiding my clients, those savings added up fast. A good realtor knows the right questions to ask and makes sure you're getting the absolute best deal. Tip number 2. Timeline and delays. Another lesson I learned the hard way. Timelines are not guaranteed. Builders will give you an estimated closing date, but delays happen. Weather, material shortages, labor issues. Let me give you a real example. One of my own new construction homes was being built during the pandemic, and it took more than 2 years to finish. 2 years! We were waiting on things like windows, cabinets, and even garage doors because of supply chain shortages. It was one of the most stressful experiences I've had as a homeowner. And for many of my clients, delays meant finding temporary housing, an Airbnb, short-term rental, or extending a lease. So my advice, always plan a backup and keep some flexibility in your budget and your timeline. It can save you from a lot of frustration. Tip number 3. Hidden costs. That base price you see online, that's just the starting point. There are lot premiums, structure upgrades, and design studio upgrades. When I built one of my homes, I was shocked at how quickly upgrades added up. Flooring, cabinets, lighting, window coverings, even simple things like adding additional outlets. And don't forget the backyard. New builds rarely include landscaping. Builders love to advertise homes starting in the low $600,000. But here's the truth. By the time you add upgrades like flooring, cabinets, or a better lot, the price is often 10 to 20% higher. Always budget extra for upgrades and premiums, and work with a realtor who can negotiate on your behalf. I always tell clients, decide ahead of time what's essential now and what can wait until after closing. That way you don't blow your budget in the design center like a kid in a candy store. Tip number 4. Negotiating and incentives. Here's something most buyers don't realize. You can negotiate. Builders might not budge on everything, but there's usually room on closing costs and design studio credits. For example, I've helped clients save tens of thousands of dollars on a spec home just by asking the right questions. And don't forget, many builders offer incentives like closing cost credits or interest rate buy-downs, especially when the market is shifting. The key is this: if you don't ask, you don't get. But you need a professional realtor like me on your side to make sure you walk away with the best deal possible. Tip number 5. Inspections and SIDs and LIDs. Now, even though it's a brand new home, never skip the inspection. I always attend my clients every single milestone: the inspection, the walkthrough, and all the way to closing. And here's why. For my last new construction home, I hired a third-party inspector. And sure enough, they found issues with insulation and some small electrical details that the builder had overlooked. Spending a few $100s can save you thousands later. And here's another hidden piece: SIDs and LIDs. These are fees for infrastructure in master planned communities. They're often thousands of dollars, and most people don't hear about them until they're already under contract. Know what those costs are upfront. Tip number 6. Neighborhood and future development. One more thing I always stress with my clients, don't just buy the home, buy the community. Always ask what's being built nearby. Schools, shopping centers, parks, even freeways. In one of my own purchases, I looked into the future development plans ahead of time, and it paid off. The area grew quickly, and so did my home's value. Think long-term, because where you buy matters just as much as what you buy. Always remember, location, location, location. Tip number 7. Plan ahead for utility costs. Las Vegas summers are no joke. Air conditioning bills can spike over $400 or $500 a month depending on the size of your home. So make sure you factor this into your budget, and whenever possible, look for homes with good insulation and energy-efficient systems. Options like dual-pane windows, smart thermostats, solar panels, high-efficiency HVAC units, and even radiant barrier roofing can make a huge difference. These upgrades might cost more upfront, but they'll save you a ton in the long run, both in energy bills and in your home's resale value. Tip number 8. Don't wait forever to buy. Back in 2013, the median home price in Las Vegas was about $135,000. Today, the citywide median is closer to $490,000. And if we zoom in on Summerlin, specifically zip code 89135, as of August 2025, the median sold price is $1,230,000. The longer you wait, the more likely prices and interest rates will push you out of the market. Remember, time in the market usually beats trying to time it perfectly. Oh, and by the way, if you want to watch the full model tours of the homes you see in the background, I will link them in the description below. Don't miss out on the details. Those tours will give you a complete walkthrough so you can see exactly what these homes look like inside. So those are the biggest lessons I've learned as both a multiple new construction homeowner and as someone who helps families every day build their dream homes. My goal is to make sure you avoid the mistakes I made and walk into your new home with confidence and excitement, not stress. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more tips on buying and building your perfect home. And if you're thinking about new construction in Las Vegas, let's connect. I'd love to help you make the process as smooth as possible. This is Lauren Chen Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.